안녕하세요. Hello K friends, do you like Korean fried chicken? I once bought 18 chicken wings for about $34 at a BBQ Chicken near my house. At Costco, I got 6 packs for about $20. I'm only going to use 2 packs for today. That will only cost about $7. Today, I will show you how to make a delicious Korean-style fried chicken at home for a good price. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wash the chicken in water and drain it well. These are chicken drumlets, but they are mixed with chicken wings in the package. Today, I will only use the chicken wings. Remove the moisture with a kitchen towel once more. This will help reduce oil splatter when frying later. Poke the boneless parts with a fork about twice. This allows the seasoning better and makes it tastier. Place the chicken in a bowl and add about 3 pinches of salt. Add about 2 pinches of pepper as well. Mix well so that it's seasoned well. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. Here are the ingredients I will use today. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of honey or corn syrup, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, and just a bit of juice from the minced ginger. Put some pepper. Delicious sweet and savory sauce is ready. After 10 minutes, put the chicken that was seasoned with salt and pepper into a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag. Add 5 tablespoons of potato starch to the bag. Tie the end of the bag well and shake it to evenly coat the chicken with the potato starch. This method helps the chicken get coated quickly with the potato starch. Now let's fry the chicken. Pour just 1 cup of oil into a preheated pan. Usually a lot of oil is used for frying, but today 1 cup is enough to fry the chicken crispy and tasty. To check the oil temperature, dip the end of the chicken into the oil. If you see bubbles forming, it's time to add the chicken. Start on high heat and then lower to medium heat, frying the chicken slowly. Fry it for about 8 minutes until golden brown, flipping occasionally. Use a splatter screen to avoid oil splashes. After 8 minutes, once the chicken is golden brown on both sides, remove it from the pan. Let it cool briefly. Pour the sauce into a preheated pan. Simmer the sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes. If you like it spicy, you can add a few dried hot peppers. After 1 to 2 minutes, once the sauce starts boiling, add the chicken. Mix well. Wow, it looks really appetizing. Look at this color. Turn off the heat and serve on a plate. Savory and delicious fried chicken is done. This is so good. It doesn't take much time and it really tastes great. It's much fresher and tastier than what you can buy at a store. Thumbs up. How was today's recipe? When you feel like having fried chicken, save this recipe and try making it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.